CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.3 Summarize services provided by networked hosts. IoT devices. In previous video segments, we discussed common network devices such as servers, workstations, smartphones, and tablets. But what about all the other devices that have processing power and network connectivity built into them? These devices fall into a broad category known as Internet of Things, often abbreviated as IoT. From the viewpoint of information technology, IoT specifically refers to physical devices, objects, and sensors that are connected to a network and are capable of collecting, exchanging, and transmitting data. These devices are typically built with sensors, an embedded operating system, and network connectivity that allows them to communicate with other devices, services, or users. Back in our Tech Plus course, IoT was introduced as a foundational concept. Here, we are focusing on how IoT devices function as networked hosts within modern environments. IoT devices are designed to interact with both people and other systems. This interaction allows for data collection, automation, remote monitoring, and remote control. From a networking perspective, each IoT device is another endpoint on the network, often communicating with cloud services or centralized controllers to perform its function. In home environments, IoT devices commonly include smart appliances, home automation systems, doorbells, thermostats, security cameras, and streaming media devices. These devices connect to the network to provide convenience, automation, and remote access, often through mobile applications or web interfaces. IoT devices are also widely used in vehicles, where connected systems provide features such as navigation, diagnostics, maintenance alerts, and remote access capabilities. In healthcare, IoT-enabled medical devices allow for continuous monitoring and data sharing, supporting improved patient care and faster response times. Other common examples include fitness equipment and wearable devices like smartwatches and fitness trackers. For the exam, it's important to recognize IoT devices as network-connected endpoints that extend networking beyond traditional computers. While they offer convenience and powerful capabilities, they also introduce additional considerations related to connectivity, management, and security. IoT devices are everywhere, and understanding their role as networked hosts is a key part of modern networking environments. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.